So yes, guys, it's not really about the number of coins, but about the profit per hour that we can watch here. So let us make use of this and um buy as much card as we can. Don't just keep the coin. So we quickly show us to when I saw that on Telegram too, so that you can understand what I'm saying. But actually, the reason why we are not meant to spend all the coin is because of the task of that 5 million. So that when you want to purchase cards, you would buy the needful card that you would need. So very soon, I will know the card we are to buy for today. I will make a video on this and upload it so that everybody can buy the card and get the next 5 million coin for this. But just make sure that we just make use of those coin and not waste it. You know what I'm saying? It will increase our profit per hour. Are we together? So let's do that. So if you have many coins on your account, don't just leave it there. Make use of it. Make use of it and okay. Okay, I think there's no network at the moment. Probably from the company. Okay, luckily we just got the first card, so that's the first card. Let's see the safe second. Okay, so we got the first card. Mm, we still have 23 hours. So before that time, you can get the next two cards and okay. Yeah, I would suggest some movie titles for you guys to also watch, just to enjoy your time, which is going to really bless you. The first movie I would suggest that you guys should download and watch is Book of Eli. It's an American movie, an action movie, but it's really going to bless your life. Search for Book of Eli on YouTube, download it, and watch. Maybe I'm going to send a affiliate link for the video. You can actually download it for free. Watch it. I tell you, it has a part one and part two, but it's going to really bless you. And if you have been hearing of Abejoye by Mount Zion movie, go and get that movie. And maybe you are out with your friend, a couple, a family. It's actually a season movie, but you can Get blessed as you watched it. So that's just that for now. So we've gotten one card. We've not seen the second one and the third one. Coin telegraph. These are this overflow authenticator. So let's wait for some hours. I'll come back to drop a video on the new card rush to get the remaining two cards. Thank you.